Hey, what's up guys? TechVid Kid here, and today we are going to be unboxing the new Kindle Fire HD8, which is kind of surprising because in a video that will either be uploaded next week from this video or the week before this video, there is a Kindle Fire, but that's a first-gen model. For comparison, let's get out the first-gen Kindle Fire. Sadly, the battery's dead on this thing, so it doesn't turn on. So now let's go ahead and unbox the HD8. So this is the new 8-inch tablet from Amazon. It comes with a base of 32 gigabytes, Amazon Kindle Fire OS, and it has Alexa support on it. It can also accept up to a terabyte of storage from the micro SD slot. The display runs at a resolution of 1280 by 800. It is a quad-core tablet, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It has dual-band AC Wi-Fi front and rear cameras, and Dolby Atmos. So it's really good. So this is a really good kids tablet. So this would be a nice gift for a kid, maybe for their birthday or for Christmas, if they have like a really old jank tablet like mine, which is a 2012 iPad mini. So, and no, this isn't mine. I don't need one. So, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing experience. So basically, whenever you flip it over, you see this pull tab, like on Amazon Alexa devices. You pull that tab off, and then you can lift this part off. I don't know why, but I like to put these Amazon Alexa stickers and Amazon stickers in general on the inside of the box. Especially if I'm keeping the box, which I am, probably. So then, if we pull this out, we get the Amazon Kindle Fire in this thing. That's it. That's inside of the box. Also, this is the blue version. So, as you can see over here, we see the Amazon logo. This pull tab to lift this black thing, this black casing off of the tablet, and here's the tablet. But let's set this aside for now and look at the accessories it comes with. So first we get the charger cable, which is USB-C, surprisingly. Looks like Amazon is taking the route of the iPad now with the USB-C. Except, well, the iPad Air and more higher-end models. So, here's our Hello cards. This is a copy of Apple, I feel like, for some reason, because this is literally what Apple's product cards look like. So, here's that. Then, we pull out our color matching. No, well, it's not really color matching, but still, it matches the screen of the tablet. So we get the power brick, and that's pretty much it for the box. Now let's set this stuff back inside of the box if I can, and then close it up and set this inside of the box again, since we're not really going to be using it for the rest of the video unless we actually really need to use the manual and stuff, which I highly doubt because I've used Kindles in the past. I don't like them too much, but still. You'll probably like them. It's mainly because I'm an iOS user. Here's the Kindle, power brick, power cable, and the box, which we'll just set over here gently because we might need that box if the tablet ever goes bad. So here's the old Kindle. Here's the new Kindle, which is blue. We'll go ahead and put this over here. Let's open it up and get it out of its protective film or wrapping. here we see the Kindle itself. So if we can pull this out without breaking it. There. So we'll just gently set this aside. Here's the Kindle Fire. So the first difference that I can see immediately would be the colors. The second difference, the camera is no longer on the top of the Kindle. It's not here, it's over here on the sidebar. And then after that, the buttons are still in the same place. So still here on the top. So as we can see, volume control, power. Oh, these are glossy buttons. They're gonna get fingerprints real quick. A microphone right here, a charger port, which is USB-C, headphone jack. On the right hand, well, I mean the bottom of the tablet, you can see a micro SD card slot. And then after that, on the top of the tablet, we get dual speakers on the top. And then on the other side, there's nothing really too much. On the old one, pretty much almost everything is on the top. The headphone jack, volume, power jack, micro USB port, power button, and microphone. And then over here we get the micro SD card slot. The speakers are actually hidden underneath the casing of this tablet. So let's go ahead and boot up the Kindle HD8. Let's get out the stand that we normally use and stand it up so it's blue. You can see that. There. Now, wherever the power button is, here it is. Oh, I played the battery dead sound for a second, so I'm not sure what that was all about. It's not this thing, because this thing's battery is like toast. Completely toast. Okay, here we have the newer boot logo, not the orange fire text, which flashes. We have the new one. And here's the new setup screen. So let's go ahead and flip the tablet over. Here we can set English, United States. Oh wait, it's gonna ask for my password, the network password, so let me do that privately for a second. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm almost connected to the internet, just need to the password might be incorrect. What do you mean? Let me there we go. Whatever happened to the skip Wi-Fi setup button on the UI? Okay, shut up. There. And now this thing needs a registration email, which we won't do right now since, well, I probably shouldn't. This isn't actually going to be mine. This is going to be a gift for someone else. So we're not going to go through the full setup. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe, guys. Bye!